The Maverick is going to demonstrate this evening why football referees should not get any sympathy from pundits and fans. Referees can make the most incompetent, even corrupt decisions without facing any consequences. And I'm going to use this situation with FIFA finding the JFF for a spectator throwing a plastic bottle at the National Stadium to make my point. The JFF said they appealed the 1,000 Swiss francs fine, but to no avail. Now, in that very same game, the referee ruled out a perfectly legitimate go-ahead goal by Jamaica. The referee said foul, no goal. The JFF also appealed that decision to FIFA. No, FIFA don't look on them. So the lesson here is that referees can make terrible decisions that cost teams millions of dollars and major distress to fans, etc. FIFA ignores those bad decisions, but a fan throw a plastic bottle into the sky and the FIFA sending the SWAT team. Now you see why fans and pundits have to continue to pressure referees relentlessly because we have no other recourse. And how we pressure them? Boom! Boom!